Good afternoon, Navani. How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm also fine. So today I'm going to ask you some translation using present tense. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So let's start.
Okay.
আমি খাই,
I eat.
আমি খাচ্ছি,
I'm eating.
আমি খেয়েছি,
I have eaten.
আমি 1 ঘন্টা ধরে খাচ্ছি,
I have been eating for an hour.
আমি সকাল হতে খাচ্ছি,
I have been eating since morning.
আমরা খাই,
We eat.
আমরা খাচ্ছি,
We are eating.
আমরা খেয়েছি,
We have eaten.
আমরা 1 ঘন্টা ধরে খাচ্ছি,
We have been eating for an hour.
আমরা সকাল হতে খাচ্ছি,
We have been eating since morning.
তুমি খাও,
You eat.
তুমি খাচ্ছ,
You are eating.
তুমি খেয়েছো,
You have eaten.
তুমি 10 মিনিট ধরে খাচ্ছ,
You have been eating for 10 minutes.
তুমি সকাল হতে খাচ্ছ,
You have been eating for since morning.
সে খায়,
She eats.
সে খাচ্ছে,
She is eating.
সে খেয়েছে,
She have eaten.
she have eaten or
She has eaten.
sorry, yeah. she yes. সে 10 মিনিট ধরে খাচ্ছে,
She has been eating for 10 minutes.
সে সকাল হতে খাচ্ছে,
She has been eating since morning.
তারা খায়,
They eat.
তারা খাচ্ছে,
They're eating.
তারা খেয়েছে,
তারা খেয়েছে.
yes.
They have eaten.
তারা 1 ঘন্টা ধরে খাচ্ছে,
They have been eating they have been eating for an hour.
তারা সকাল হতে খাচ্ছে,
They have been eating since morning.
নবনী খায়,
Navani is.
নবনী খাচ্ছে,
Navani is eating.
নবনী খেয়েছে,
Navani has eaten.
নবনী 10 মিনিট ধরে খাচ্ছে,
Navani has been eating for an hour, for 10 minutes.
নবনী সকাল হতে খাচ্ছে,
Navani is eating since morning.
eating since morning. নবনী have been eating since morning. আচ্ছা, I write মানে আমি লিখি,
I write.
আমি লিখছি,
I am writing.
আমি লিখেছি,
I have written.
আমি 10 মিনিট ধরে লিখছি,
I have been eating for 10 minutes.
I have been writing for 10 minutes.
Sorry.
আমি সকাল হতে খাচ্ছি,
I have been eating. I have been writing since morning.
আমরা লিখি,
We write.
আমরা লিখছি,
We are writing.
আমরা লিখেছি,
We have written.
আমরা 10 মিনিট ধরে লিখছি,
We have been writing for 10 minutes.
আমরা সকাল হতে লিখছি,
We have been writing since morning.
তুমি লেখো,
You write.
তুমি লিখছো,
You are writing.
তুমি লিখেছো,
You have written.
তুমি 1 ঘন্টা ধরে লিখছো,
You have been writing for an hour.
তুমি সকাল হতে লিখছো,
You have been writing since morning.
সে লেখে,
She writes.
সে লিখছে,
She is writing.
সে লিখেছে,
She has written.
সে 10 মিনিট ধরে লিখছে,
She has written. She has been writing for an hour.
সে সকাল হতে লিখছে,
She has been writing since morning.
তারা লেখে,
They write.
তারা লিখছে,
They are writing.
তারা লিখেছে,
They have written.
তারা 10 মিনিট ধরে লিখছে,
We have been writing for 10 minutes.
তারা সকাল হতে লিখছে.
They have been writing since morning.
So that's all for today.
You're most welcome.
Okay.